Hi guys, it's Sandy. I have a fun project idea to share with you guys. I made this project a couple of days ago. It's a fun and simple way that you could make some Happymail ID or a Snailmail Flipbook. Even if you do pen paling or you wanted to add something into a junk journal, really whatever you like with this little project. And all I used was one 6x6 paper. And on the inside I added some mini envelopes, a pocket with some tags, and a place you could write a note when you want to send this off to your crafty friend, or if you are in a swap, or if you're just sending some happy mail. So this is the project that I've made. It's 3 inches by 6 inches. All I had done here was I simply just grabbed a 6x6 paper and I folded it in half. And then on the corners here, I just use my corner rounder punch just to give it a nicer corner. But if you don't have a corner rounder punch, you can just leave it the way it is. And on the inside, that's where I added the envelopes and pockets. And I'll show you how I laid mine out. So you could also use this idea. It's really, really easy. Again, all I've done here in the front, I just embellished it with some of my papers from my stash, and then I use one of my new paper clip dangles to use as a closure. This is a really pretty cream satin flower charm dangle with some shabby tone beads clustered around it, and I do have this in my store to purchase. I also made them in a really lovely soft, like a salmon pink color satin flower charm dangle. And then I also made one in a really lovely lush purple colored satin flower with some nice crystals on it as well. And these clips are also great to use in your traveler's notebooks or in your planners. But I've used mine as a closure for this flipbook, and it's a nice flat way to send off in the mail as well, so it will be very inexpensive for you to post. I'll show you the inside, and simply just like this, and there is some little spots here where you can add some goodies. And I had placed a dolly in the back of the paper because it was just a plain white background, and I just thought just giving a bit more decoration. And then I had some washi and placed that in the center where I folded the paper. This is one of the pockets with some tags. I also embellished the front of the pocket. I placed here one of my page tab die, just to also give some decoration to the edge of the flipbook. This is another little mini envelope. You can still put some little goodies in there. I also backed that with one of my die shapes in the back of the envelope. On this side here is one of my mini file folders. I used my crocheted string with some heart shape that I used my heart shape paper punch to keep the mini flipbook closed, and then I also embellished the front of that as well. I just use this because then it just saves the mini folder from opening all the time. And this is a great place for you to add your note when you want to send this off in the mail, or you can also place a little small packet of goodies and stick it to the back here, and then you can close that up. So that's another good place for you to add some stickers or whatever little pack of goodies you wanted to place in there. And then on the back you can also add another envelope or another pocket and place some more stuff on the back here as well. And I just thought this is a really fun way for you to make a nice simple flat flipbook with your 6x6 paper. And in my store I put a kit with these paper pieces, or like with the envelopes and pocket in a kit for you, and I'll show you what's inside the kit if you would like to purchase one of those in my store, and then you can use that in your projects or in one of your 6x6 papers. And I'll show you what you get inside the kit. You will get these 4 mini envelopes. I'll paste it here so you can see what's in the kit. You will also receive 2 of the pockets, and with these pockets you just assemble it yourself on the back here there are some score lines, and that just tells you where to fold your paper to make your pockets. So you get 2 of those. I'll also put in there 4 doilies. And in the pack you will get a random pack of different printed papers in the pack. And then there are 2 mini file folders, some different tag shapes. There will also be some of these different shape die cuts that you could also use for embellishments. You get a little spool of some of the crocheted string. Again, the pack will be all different random printed papers in there for you. I'll also put in there about 6 of these random word sentiments that you could use. And get them. There will also be 4 of these tab page die cuts, or page tab die cuts, that you can also use in your projects. I'm just going to also show you another way you could use these tab dies. So there's 4 of these in the pack, and I had made in one of my other videos one of these circle mini flip books, and then I used the page tab to use as a hinge to hold the pages together. And the flip book used 4 of the tabs, and I will put the link down below for this video with the tutorial. I'll also put the link down below of my store if you wanted to purchase the kit. So I'll just quickly show you this flip book. This is one of my other new charm dangles that I had just made as well, and this is a paper tassel charm that I'd made with some cluster of beads on one of these fold back clips. And the inside of the book, that's the tab die that I used to keep the pages together. This is a pocket, and then there's another pocket on this side with some more tags, and there's another of the page tab dies, so you can see it's the same one. And then there's the last page, and I've got an envelope here at the back, and I think I have these envelopes too in my store as well. And then I've just used an eyelet just to make it look like a tag. And I'll put this link down below for you if you wanted to have a look at that. And also, if you do purchase this kit, you will receive a bonus flower resin clip that I had also made, and it will be one of these random colors that will come in your kit as a little bonus thank you for purchasing the kit. And that's all I think I wanted to share with you in this video. I do hope you enjoyed my video with my little 6x6 mini flip book. I had a lot of fun making that project. It was really quick to make as well. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.